Hello, and welcome to episode number 1 of the Dr. Mark Sohmer Show, Laying the Foundation. This is where we will take a journey into the realms and dimensions of time and space to get some idea of how science sees our world hidden within this physical realm of our creation. We will learn about the unseen world all around us, which is far different than what it appears to be. We will discover the mysteries that have been designed to benefit you and me in every area of our lives, given to us by our Creator, and have been waiting millions of years for us to discover. What science has found in quantum mechanics is exactly what the Book of Life, the Bible, has been telling mankind for thousands of years. That our world is only a stepping stone for supernatural signs, miracles, and wonders to manifest. Did you get that? This world is ground zero, the proving grounds for understanding and accessing the supernatural. Come with me now to explore a higher level of quality of life. Learn to expand your mind, and you will expand your universe. Since the beginning of time, man has wondered about this minuscule little rock that he lives on, spinning endlessly in space. Where did we come from? And where are we going? Can we make life better for ourselves? The best place to start is at the beginning. So to get the full impact of this teaching or any other understanding, we need to lay a foundation. You cannot begin to build anything of value without a solid foundation. Everything that exists in this universe is built on a few basic principles. First, everything in our universe had to be created. Now you might ask, how do I know this? Just take a look around. Common sense will tell you that since everything in this physical realm works so perfectly in harmony with everything else around it, there just had to be a master plan put into place. From the alignment of the trillions of planets to the miracle of life, and how everything that is alive, from plants to animals, even our own bodies, has the ability to heal itself. The blueprint for healing, and also our DNA, is a perfect design, and it didn't happen to get here by just some chance. Just the miracle of life alone could have only been accomplished by a creator whose wisdom far exceeds the expanse of the universe itself. We need to realize that the Almighty Creator has no limits of wisdom, knowledge, and power. You may say to yourself, that's great, but how does that help me? Well, that's what I'm here to teach you. We have more accessibility to supernatural power than we realize. Let's look at what the Book of Life says about this. In Luke 1:37, it tells us that with God, nothing shall be impossible. It didn't say just some things or once in a while, but all things. Did you get that? This means that everything we need in and for our life is accessible. Now you are ready to unveil some of the mysteries within our creation? Good, then listen closely. The Creator, who is life, love, peace, joy, health, prosperity, and everything else that is good and positive, has embedded the attributes and essence of who He is into all of His creation. Needless to say, that since He is life, then it goes without saying that everything in His creation is also alive. When I say everything, that's not only people, plants, and animals, but also solid objects. But that will be explained in the next show. The foundation we first need to understand is what is quantum physics. When I went to school, most people thought that time was measured in hundredths, thousandths, and possibly millionths of a second. Today, when science measures time, they do it in billionths of a second. That's a 1 with 9 zeros after it, which is also known as a nanosecond. There is also what they call a yoctosecond, which is a 1 with 24 zeros after it. This opens up a whole new realm of how fast is fast. When science measures the size of something, they know that an atom is made up of smaller parts such as alpha and beta particles, quarks, leptons, protons, neutrons, and electrons. I say this because it's relevant to know that science can observe what takes place within the basic elements of our environment in such minute increments. So now, this makes us wonder, how small is small? When we see that science can observe our physical creation in such minute details, then we can understand what takes place in the unseen world around us. It can act in ways we never thought was possible. I also see that quantum physics being so advanced as it is, that at any moment science may discover the existence of the supernatural realm. Please tell your friends about this show, because the teaching you get here is going to be extremely beneficial for improving every area of your life. You can get much more information than what you see here at the Dr. Mark Sohmer Show by ordering the ebook, My People Perish for Lack of Knowledge, at thelordandthedancer.com. Thank you for watching the Dr. Mark Sohmer Show.